Kian, ikaw, Kian.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, auntie. Malakas. Laksi.
Happy birthday, Umpe!
God bless.
God bless you and many more birthdays to come.
See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday.
I love you. Ingat.
Ingat po lagi.
Mami G.
Happy birthday, auntie. Kakalabas ko lang. Babati lang ako sa inyo ng happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa iyong 60th birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, madami pang blessing. Madami pang birthday. Tayong isa-celebrate. Yan. Basta enjoy nyo lang ang inyong party, kasama ang family, and friends. Sayang, sanay nandyan ako. Basta, ingat kayo lagi. I miss you. I love you. I hope to see you soon. Love you.
Hey, girly. Happy birthday. I love you.
We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Girlie. Salamat sa lahat ng help mo sa aming dalawa, sa pag-guide mo sa aming dalawa lagi, tsaka pag-listen at pag-advise. We love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy 60th birthday po, Umpe. Hindi po talaga kayo mukhang senior. Napakabata niyo pong tingnan. And yon, stay healthy, stay pretty, and enjoy life po with your mga pogi at magagandang at napaka-cute na mga apo. Happy birthday po uli!
Ante! Yun. Happy birthday to you. Welcome to the senior world. Yung kumbaga ay may discount ka na sa sinehan and sa restaurant. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Bye. Love you.
Hello sis! Yan ang aking, sa lahat kong kapatid, yan ang pinakamaganda, pinakamabait,
Siya, sasalubungan ka.
na bunso ko kong kapatid. Ikaw na medyo may pabitin. Kilala mo naman ako, lagi may bitin eh. Pero, I'm happy for you, my sister. At ikaw pauli-uli na lang na ganyan. Pauli-uli ka. At ikaw mayaman na. At puro, alam ko naman, puro ka kontrata, kahit ikaw wala, meron kang assistant dito na kayang-kaya ang mga ginagawa mo. At bukod doon, alam ko masaya ka rin sa iyong foreigner na apo. At nakakatuwa na at napulong na daw, sabi ni Gagay. Yung aga-aga na pumupulong. Pero anyway, happy birthday and enjoy. Malapit ka nang umuwi dito. Pag uwi mo dito, anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Pag uwi mo dito, kung anong namimiss mo sa Batangas, sasamahan kita. Ha, basta ikaw ang magbabayad at ikaw na may mapera. O sige, happy birthday, sister. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday! Oy, welcome to the club. Naku, may less ka na. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Oy, bati uli ako. Happy birthday, sis. Ikaw ay sasama na namin ng mama.
Delma.
Alma. O, ang mami. Libre ka na sa sine. Libre ka pa ng kain. May discount na rin.
Yay!
Kaya sa birthday mo, magpa-blow out ka.
Magpa-blow out ka. Madaya ka.
Bongga. Anyway, happy birthday again.
Bye-bye. Enjoy the party po.
Bye.
Happy birthday po, Umpe. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po and more blessing to come po sa inyo. More birthday to come. Ingat po palagi.
Enjoy senior years, Umpe. Enjoy discounts and free cinema. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday, girly! Wow, excited ka ba? At ikaw ay meron ng senior discount card. Naku, gagasgasin natin yan pag tayo'y naglalabas ulit. And we're hoping you're enjoying your birthday party prepared by your children.
And
Apos. And we know you're happy and excited with the new addition to your family. Na very cute naman. Sana ay our birthday wish for you is best of health always and more fun, happy times with your family, and of course travel for you and Joven. So enjoy your party and hope to have our own party pag uwi namin na nandun kayo, okay?
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Umpe. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you say cheese? Happy birthday, Umpe. We miss you and we love you. And we hope you have a great party. We'll see you in the Philippines. Alice, you say bye. Alice, bye-bye. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my ever dearest sister.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, girly.
Happy birthday, Nina Umpe.
Happy birthday, girly.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and more blessings. Love you pa. I miss you.
Belated happy birthday, Nina.
Love you. See you soon. Punta kami dyan. Sa Australia, ha?
See you.
Sunduin niyo kami. Tsaka, ang message ko ay, thank you sa pagiging mami ko ng napakatagal. Tsaka pag-aalaga sa mama at saka sa kuya, no? Kinuha ko nila.
Happy birthday.
Love you, love you.
Love you.
Hello, Tito Gary po. Merigayan kaarawan po. Happy birthday. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. I'm really sorry I can't be there to celebrate with you guys, but I'm sending you all of my love from back in England. It was an absolute pleasure to get to meet you earlier this month, and I can't wait to see you and to celebrate with you again soon. So happy birthday, have an amazing day, and much love.
Hello from Virginia Beach. Hi, Auntie Girly. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Wow. How lucky you are to be celebrating your birthday there in Sydney with almost the rest of the family. And especially with the newest addition, new grandchild, Cassian. How sweet that is. I wish you good health, good fortune, and happiness. You already are getting all the love from everybody, extra love from KJ, and just be happy and stay sweet and lovely as you are. Happy birthday, Ate Girlie. I love you, and I'm so grateful to have you in our lives. Another well wisher for
Happy
you.
birthday, Ate Girlie. Wishing you good health, more travels. Love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, girlie. Wanted to say happy 60th birthday. And I also want to say congratulations on being a brand new grandmother. Also, thank you for letting me crash your birthday celebration. And I should go back to my birthday greeting. So happy 60th birthday. By the way, you look amazing. You make 60 look really, really good. So I'm gonna make this short because every time somebody asks me for a birthday video message or something, I always end up taking up so much time. So I just wanna make sure you get my birthday wishes. I really wish a lot of joy, happiness, peace, days and days and days, a long life filled with the loud laughter of your grandchildren. And I wish you the best of health so that you can just keep traveling, flying to Sydney and, keeping your grandkids company and spending more time with Jovan, all of that. Just a happy, peaceful, healthy life. Happy 60th birthday. I'm going to send you a longer message. This one is just for this video message, okay? Look for that. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Hello, the girlie. Happy birthday. Maligayang pagbati. Very special ang birthday na to kasi syempre milestone, magical 60. So kasama mo kami sa pagdiriwang, sa saya. Hindi tayo nagkukulang dyan sa saya. Siyempre, alam namin yon. Especially ngayon, kahit umiedad na tayo, at least meron tayo niyan. At kita naman natin na padami ng padami ang apo nyo ng Kuya Joven. Ito nga, ang pinaka-latest, si Kasyan, ang pinakabagong crush ng bayan. Si Kasyan. So, ang daming exciting na nangyayari. Ayan. So, congrats. And alam namin masaya, alam namin na hindi ka nagkukulang ng pasasalamat sa puso mo. At syempre nagpapasalamat din kami para sa iyo. Gusto lang sabihin na Ate Girlie na nag-iisa ka lang at walang katulad para sa amin dito sa Minifam. Kaya suportado ka namin at isipin mo lagi naming wini-wish na lagi kang malakas, masaya at magkaroon pa ng maraming taon para ma-enjoy ang pamilya at ma-enjoy mo ang panahon mo with Kuya Joven. Ayun lang, stay as sweet as you are at ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Tita Girlie. Thank you for being so kind, sweet, and generous. And I hope you enjoy your birthday in Australia. I love you. And also, hi Cousin Candice and Cousin Marcus and to my new baby cousin, Cassian. And hi to all of the people in Australia. Miss you. See you soon.
The Girlie! Happy birthday po. Love you.
Cherry Kong Kong Koila, Cherry Kong Kong Koila, Cherry Kong Kong, Cherry Kong Kong, Cherry Kong Kong Koila. Happy 60th birthday, Ninang Girlie!
wish namin for you, mahabang buhay pa para makasama pa ang mga apo at mga anak.
Isa pa sa wish namin is, syempre, good health. Magmahalan pa ng sobra ng Ninong Joben, syempre. Tsaka, ayun, continue being the good person and
Mapag-asikaso.
Yan, at may matabang puso sa lahat ng tao. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, Ninang
We
Girlie.
love you,
We love
Ninang
you.
Girlie. We love you, Inay.
Bye-bye.
We're live from Hong Kong.
Happy birthday, Tita Girlie. Wala na ako masyadong hilingin because I feel like yung wish mo lang din naman para sa mga anak mo, mga apo, and kay Tita Joven. So, I just wish you good health and all the good things in life because you deserve it. Happy birthday and I love you.
Hello, girlie. Kumusta ka na ga? Hindi ko ga alam na iyo palang birthday. Pero, matuwa ka. Hindi naman halata na ikaw ay 60 na. Ang alam ko ay mga 40, 45. Hanggang 45 lang talaga ang alam ko. Anyway, wala namang ipinagbago. Edad lang. It's just a number. Pero, yung iyong kabaitan, ang iyong pag-aalaga sa mga apo at mga anak, yun ang talagang isang asset mo na napakaganda. Bukod pa sa sobra talagang maalalahanin. Ever since naman, since bata ka, ganyan ka na. Pati nga sa akin, alam kong mahal na mahal mo rin ako. At sana, palagi kang malusog. At syempre, maganda, katulad ko. Diga. Oh, anyway, happy birthday again. At kailan ka uwi mo? Uwi na at ako'y sabik na rin. Pasalubong. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Girlie! Wow, 60 years old ka na pala. Hindi naman mukhang 60, mukhang 59 lang. Char! Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana you will stay healthy para maalagaan mo lahat ng iyong apo. Lifelong happiness kasama ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay at live a stress-free life. So, happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Girlie. You have a good one. Love you. Ingat lagi.
Hi, girlie. So, 60 ka na pala. Happy birthday. So, sabi nila, the 60s is the new 40s. Kaya dapat, you should stay energetic and full of life. Kagaya what you're doing, di ba? Punta-punta na lang sa mga anak, visiting loved ones, the family, the new apo. Very exciting chapter, no? To have many apos, 5 na. So, wishing you the best of health, happiness, love, and prosperity, and most of all, inner peace. Enjoy your birthday, enjoy your celebration. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Mare. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, di ko alam. Pero kung anong oras ang okasyon mo. Pero happy birthday. Ay ambush, greeting. Kasi may sakit si Cade. Happy birthday. Hindi ko alam na ikaw pala yung 16, sweet 16. Ako ay susunod na after 2 years. I wish you more blessings, tsaka parating healthy always. Ikaw at ang buong family. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
My girlie, isang pagbating mabilis para sa isang espesyal na kaibigan. Ako'y bagong dating galing Divisoria. Dalas-dalas ako para pabati kita, baka mahuli. Magwi-wish daw. So, ari isang take lang, hindi ko na inuulitin. Kung anong masabi ko dito, bahala na. Maring Girly, happy birthday. Sana marami pang taong maging masaya ang birthday mo. Magkasama pa tayo ng mahaba sa tawanan, sayawan, kainan at halhalan. At sana palagi pa rin kitang magkaroon ako ng lakas ng katawan na maipag-drive pa kita. At maging kargador mo na rin. Dahil mahal na mahal kita. Pag sinabi mong at kailangan mo ako, nandyan ako para sa iyo. Pag may pagkain ako, pag may bagay na pwede ko ibigay sa iyo, ibibigay ko. Ganun ka rin sa akin. Kaya parang kapatid na ang turing ko sa iyo. Hindi na kita labis pa sa isang kaibigan ang turing ko. Simula pa nung tayo ay maging close. Yun. Kaya sana marami pang birthday na magkasama tayo. At 60 ka na. Sana'y dumami pa ang iyong apo. Happy birthday! I love you!
Maligayang kaarawan, sis girl! Welcome to the club! Senior na tayo! Enjoy! Good health and more blessings! Wish you all the best!
Hi, Ate Girly! Happy birthday! May God bless you always. Stay happy and young at heart always. I love you!
Hi! Hello, girl! The dancing queen! Birthday mo na! Happy, happy birthday! Enjoy the perks of being senior! I love you! Miss ka na namin! Wait, kami sa blowout mo! God bless you! And enjoy your celebration! God bless!
Mara Girly, happy 60th birthday. Pareho na tayo senior. Enjoy natin ang ating pagiging senior. And God bless you more. Happy birthday. I love you. Mom.
Hello sis. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy mo na with your new apo. And see you soon. And many years and many moments, many adventures with us, Plantitas. Love you and happy birthday.
Hello, good morning Mare. Umaga dito, babati lang ako ng happy birthday. Sana ay more years umuwi ka na at namimiss ka na namin. Love you. Enjoy your day. Mwah.
Hello girlay, musta na? Happy birthday. Yun naman, senior na. Ayun, musta ka na? Alam namin na super enjoy ka naman dyan dahil nga ng mga poging apo. Sige lang, pero miss na miss ka na rin namin. Uwi muna at tayo marami pang galang gagawin. Happy birthday again. Bye. Love you.
Hi Mars! Kumusta? So happy birthday and I hope that you're going to enjoy your celebration today. Sabi nga natin, di ba? Every day is a blessing but being 60 I think is one of the biggest blessings that anyone can have. This is really a milestone for you and for all the others who are going to celebrate their 60th birthday this year. So again, happy birthday. Enjoy the rest of your stay there in Australia. Hugs to the kids and hugs to everyone.
Frankie, say happy birthday na, Frank. Frankie. Say happy birthday na.
Uwi na kayo, hindi maintindihan ang gagawin. Tama na.
Hindi kayo. Wala ka message.
Wala, ayaw ko wag mo.
Sorry.
Senior, bagong senior. Sige, date tayo. Libre na ikaw kaunti. Saka ako rin. Pari tayong tatlo laan nila. Sino kang kasama? Di yung puro senior, para mura. Ay di yung bumati ka at bukas at birthday na rin. Si gandang baeng maarte.
Ay, bukas ka?
Oo. Sino ga? Tanggap naman na rin na si Marte.
Bukas na gayon.
Basta sabihin mo lamang siya'y maganda, ay payag siyang Marte. Pero happy birthday! Enjoy ka dyan sa mga anak mong mapipera. Puro kami naiwan din ni Dedes. Wawa naman kaming dalawa. Walang mag-Dedes sa amin. Ano nga, Dedes? Okay, happy birthday. Enjoy na lang. I'm happy for you. You're there with your apong pa. Napaka-pogi. Hello, Gagay. Hello, CJ. Sino pang may birthday day yan? Yang aking suki. Hintay ko muna. Yung aking suki. Palagi nang naagang-agay si Gagay at saka si Candy, si Miel. Yan, agang-agay ang dalawang yan. Suki ko yan sa akin. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Inay. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Inay. I love you. Wishing you a healthy, long life. Have a good celebration. See you soon.
Happy 60th birthday, Inay.
16, Inay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say Inay, happy birthday.
Lia, ano sasabihin mo, Lia?
Happy 60th birthday, Inay. I love you and see you soon.
See you soon. Happy birthday.
Shade, ikaw, ano may sasabihin ka kay Ina? Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday.
Surprise! Nandiyan kami sa likod nyo! So, see you soon. See you on Sunday. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Mama, chuk-chuk.
Mama.
Mamay?
Go away.
Oh.
Say happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. Say happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. Galing, galing.